We all use, in one or another way, artificial intelligence in our work, in our day-to-day interactions. Just let's think about what was the time and how was the time before AI. An example of how we operated in these days.
In the context of programming or IT technology, before AI, you need to know a set of tools, a set of programming languages, a set of technologies by your own, and try to combine it somehow. And now you can focus on the important ones and leave the boring one to the AI, for example, or to rely on AI agent for a pair programmer or a colleague who can check your code, for example, or help you to, make a better one.
Searching for the information is totally different today. In the past, you need to ask a question, and the search engine index provides some information based on the internet and the indexing, and based on the indexed already information, but then you need to follow the links and read all this information. Now you can ask a simple question or a complex question, and then all these artificial intelligence systems can answer directly to provide the information immediately. So you need only to verify if this is true and how this information is correct. And this is much, much faster. So you can save a lot of time. You can save a lot of time to perform other tasks, or for same amount of time you can reach much more information based on this technology. I see a big difference now, especially in this consuming information from the internet.
The question when we speak about AI is the data qualitative enough, relevant enough to the questions we ask? So how do we ensure that the data we get is good enough? Because great data in, garbage out, as everybody
uses. Currently, as a consumer, you need to verify it, at least because the technology is not confident enough, is not bulletproof. It's developing. According to the current architectures, they are much complex. There are different layers, and artificial intelligence, after they prepare the answer, which needs to be is ready to be provided, they verify this information. It's a kind of reasoning. They check this information, is it reasonable according and against to the question asked by the user, and then you have some level of confidence that the information provided by intelligence system is correct or is relevant.
The current AI solutions, let's say, that actually are not perfect because the models are trained with some limited amount of data. So the general knowledge is somewhere out of the box. And this is important to be measured. So that's why the human is needed to check the results and to decide if this is okay or not.
Do we have a customer already that has a problem we all feel we can solve with an AI solution?
Most probably all of the customers have challenges that can be solved by AI. But it's difficult to first to define the challenge or the problem, and then to find a solution. when we speak with the customers, for example, lately a customer from United States asked us how we can collect, accumulate, and keep all the key knowledge from our people, which are acquired during their experience, their life, in order to have this knowledge available for the other colleagues. This could increase the quality of the service they provide to their customers. They be much more safer in the future, because if some person leave the company, then the knowledge lives with him. So having such a system which collects all this information, evaluate and accumulate in a system based on the LLMs or the AI, could be very valuable for our customers and for customers of our customer.
What is LLM?
Large language models, current technology which is very wide used for the AI systems.